Jara Suka Fila, Kama Hita, Mandita, Rapaketa, Unilever, Goborete, Emaleva, Osaka Sakatalwe, Osaka Style Seman, Tibidina.
We are born with TV. Are you your a phone with Sunday? Yes, she for more. Yes, she for more. Yes, she for more. I'm sending one miloto. We are born with TV. Are you your a phone with Sunday? Yes, she for more. Yes, she for more. Yes, she for more. I'm sending my miloto. Come on.
Hello you guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're a returning subscriber, hello. If you are new here, welcome. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and yeah, enjoy. So today I'm about to clean, wash, I don't know, but all of those things, and then I'm going to the pool, but I can't swim for some reason. Yeah.
I can also be recently quality lobby. Session time. From
getting ourselves ice creams. They were so delicious. Wow. And when I was going back home, I saw a shop that was selling tripods and LED lights. I was like, let me buy myself one, because I've been wanting to buy myself a tripod, and I've been seeing these tripods from Shein. They cost like about 150. Yeah, so I went in and I bought myself a tripod. Unbox with me. So this tripod comes with this one is very huge. Like, I used to borrow a tripod from Amahle, Kira's friend. This one comes with the charger and with this. How do I get it off? There's something else. Comes with the remote and a charger. Let me just lengthen it. I just want to see the length. This is a damn ass tripod. Whoa, this one is very long. This one is gonna help me like a lot, because I've been meaning to want to take pictures with the tripod. I just want to see. Okay guys, I just wanted you to see the length, and yeah, I'm so excited. And also that charger is for the remote. When I'm taking pictures, I must charge it right away, because I'm ready to take pictures and I'm ready to vlog. Sana bendizama uvlogger apha eGardens. Ngoku ndihamba emangcwabeni abantu ukhomandela abamandela ngabakolingcwaba. Anyways, ndithi umandondo wayilijoni elimhlophe. Ndithi bendizama ke ujonga into lento benzama uvlogger. Ngoku sana abanintsi obherhi namaphara andizukwazi sana iGardens yaye kuba nje ya iGardens yayiqhela uba ngu ayiseyiyo ngoku. Anyways, talk to you later. Oh, I look pretty. We are in Sanctuary. Oh, inhle ke sana le ndawo. One thing about yona, it never disappoints. Never disappoints, okay, babe. Oh.
Be loving my booty and shit. From park to drive, take off like a lift. My exes can't come back to me, cause I'm not where they left me. My bitch just gave me a baby, I'm watching her breastfeed. All my praises go to the most high, cause he.
Right now we are at Cotton On. Yeah, this is sana benenza enye ividiyo enhle kanjani.
I don't really fuck with nobody, niggas is nasty. I come from the jungle, yeah, nigga, PTSD. I was just broke, pockets was empty. Bitch, you gon' fail, you tryna test me. I come from the jungle, yeah, nigga, take it from park to drive, take off like a lefty. My exes can't come back to me, cause I'm not where they left me. My bitch just gave me a baby, I'm watching her breastfeed. All my praises go to the most high, cause he blessed me. Hey, Slim, I bitch on her, bitch, I'm him. Yeah, triple cup fell to the brim. Hey, and this pot of fat cost me a limb. I see the rust bring him in. Pull up, can't get you a glimpse. Even if I get on win, hey, he gon' walk out with a grin. Hey, Slim.
So guys, I'm eating I forgot to show you, but we went to stairs and yeah. Malseleni is cutting up the bellies. More sibesiye kwa-Freedom Tontoni sise-ovayo and then safumana izinto yabo bathina like thina abazohlala and then ovayo yena lo uzodlala wabefumene mhlophe so ngoku sihlelike kuninokhira like silindile babakatibhala ngoku kwalave matsha kwa-Mount Tontoni kuba imhlophe ikuthengisa imatsha phaa and ndifuna nepichi. Anyways, ndithi safika phaa yofika kwethu kwabakho omnye elinye itshayi labe lisilwa ke nemanager phaa hayi umntana khe ngazuba khona phaa and then umntana wakho bekuthiwa ngosomncincikoli alaqala babonidlala kuwo ngoke oku walwa ndithi abexhosa ntombi bamdifenda la manager ngumxhosa baphakama bamvidorize ebusweni like ndabe ndifuna uvidorize ke xa ndiqoma eska kodwa ndiyitya ndinolwini but yeah guys we are at Mr. Price let me hold this here ayibambeki sana kugcwele kwa Mr. Price it's overstimulating. Oh, I love this language. Yeah. Sana, I'm just broken. Oh man, I'm just broken. English, breaking. I'm just breaking the rules. Sana, who's gonna catch me? Who's gonna tell me shit? What the fuck am I doing? I sound like a 1K. Thuna ndifikile ePoleni ke sana kukho abantu ngibona nokuvidorize sana camera manje seyivestigate
Jara suka ufila kama hita manita rapaketa Unilever goborete emaleva osaka garishaka talwe osaka gareke stand seman tibiteri kana sama lesket skopesela sali raftet seman cash come down shamba pa dang wala maradona cash come down shut up, Are Maradona stamp.
Oi man,
smoke on can't talk on where I for so Pari Pirimaru.
oi, Wasambe wen, I wanna man, Matikala mapi, SIT, Bobega Penzu, Lemafi, Chimama Konye, Kepali, Zesta Fagi, Lelaini, Matikala mapi, SIT, Bobega Penzu, Lemafi, Chimama Konye, Kepali, Zesta Fagi, Lelaini, Matibaika, Lizon, Baikuniki, Chimama Pim, Papa say Penny when there's all, I'm happy, Pesu, Matibaika, Lizon, Baikuniki, Chimama Pim, Papa say Penny when there's all,
We are born on TV. ufuna ukuyisondeza. Yeah, she for more. Yeah, she for more. Yeah, she for more. Namhlanje ngibambile to. Uyabona, ubona kwi-TV.
Hey guys, it's another series of cooking with Igyan. Let me just stop yapping and cook.
Wanna be Sunday, yes she for more, yes she for more, yes she for more. I'm sending my milato. Come on, hey, come on. Oh la 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 la, this is Quasimodo, yo. Oh la 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 la, someone wanna lot of us. Oh yo 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 yo, you mean not equal, yo. 34, you mean nothing wrong, my love.
Okay guys, that was the end of my YouTube channel. Make sure you like, subscribe and click on the notification button whenever I release a video.
You can trust in me. I can. You said I can trust in you.